Today we are working with metallics. Ooh, oh goodness. You got any metallics on you?
No, I can't say that I do.
All right. This is the Tim Holtz Ideology pad of metallic paper. He's got a few other ones out that are fun colors. This is gold and silver. I love, sure. So what I'm going to do today is make a card for a manly man. I have a friend who is graduating and going into the Marines, and so I have chosen to use a dry embossing folder from Tim Holtz line. It's Circus Alterations. Not even sure if these are on the market, this particular kind, but they do have other compasses. I've seen them. So I'm going to put through some gold. So I already pre-cut a sheet of the metallic gold. And so I'm just going to put it in there like so. And Brian, where is our texturizer machine?
It's right here.
This is Circus Texture Buffet. Nope. Texture Boutique.
Ah.
And it was on
sale?
Nope. I got it in 2009. It's a little older.
It's ancient.
They don't sell this exact purse-like model, but
I can see why.
But I loved it and I had to have it. So it's just one of those things.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna put. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna put. I have put the embossing folder over the gold metallic paper.
Okay.
And then I'm going to put a shim on top of it. And a black little dealie on the bottom. And a black little dealie on the top. These are just little...
It's a sandwich.
It's just a sandwich. You're going to sandwich these in. And Brian is going to feed this to my purse, Texture Boutique. And here we go. Oh, I don't think I had it on there good enough.
Oh, no.
Oh, help us, Lord. Let's see. That's why this show is so great, because it's real.
It looks good.
It's fine. I'm going to trim it a little bit. Take the nonsense off there. Nonsense.
That's like, it's funny you say that because I was thinking this is a no-nonsense show.
Oh.
No-nonsense crafting.
That's right. But it's actually more nonsense than no nonsense.
I don't know, we get right to business here.
I don't know. Uh-oh. Oh no. Don't worry, no one will hear you walking out the door.
Where's she going?
She got a little text or something.
Oh. Don't say anything. But that was the Danish lady.
Oh yeah, that was the Danish lady.
She kind of comes and goes. We're just glad she didn't say anything because sometimes she kind of goes off on a tangent.
She speaks in a different language. It's called Danish.
And we don't understand it.
Okay, I'll make the card shorter. Watch this, you guys. I'm going to make the card shorter because I messed up. Do you like this or what? It is raw crafting.
Just center it. Just put it in the middle.
No, the middle isn't good because then I have to cut more off the sides. Oh, stop.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, stop.
I'm just scared.
Card smaller. You need to trust me on this journey we're embarking on.
I used to trust you so much.
I
Here,
know.
I'll take care of that. Here you go.
Thank you. Oh, jeez. You got to be careful with stuff. Okay. What I'm going to do here is I have this ready, so I'm going to get my adhesive, which is... Brian?
Score tape.
Score tape. My very favorite. Buy some today. It is just, I don't get a kickback from that. I'm just telling you, it's my favorite. Oh, now someone's going somewhere. Got all kinds of things happening. It's okay, because this is real life. We have families.
And we don't really like to edit very much.
No, editing's boring.
It takes so much time.
I know. So if you hear things, who cares?
We kind of go raw with this thing.
Yeah. The dog's not in here. That's too bad. Could put him, say hello. Okay. And that would be nice to add him to say hello sometime.
Let me get him.
Okay.
If I can find him. What is he?
It just makes it more fun. He was waiting outside the door. So, here's my little compass. I'm going to peel off this sookwang. Sookwang.
Sookwang.
So I'm going to put this down and then we'll say hi to Gus, okay?
Okay.
Just a second. And eyeballing. Pretty okay. Boom.
That looks sweet.
Okay.
Sweet!
Show the Gusters.
Oh.
He's got to go on there. This is Gus. He is
Look up, Gus. Look
good
up.
boy, Gus. You're such a good boy.
There he is. We want to see your eyes, Gus.
Oh, Gus. He's a teddy bear. There you are, buddy. Aw. We love this kid. He's the sweetest little boy ever. Okay, so here's the front of the card. The inside, I'm going to do, I have a stamp set from Close to My Heart. Might have been a year or more ago that I bought it. I have a habit of collecting traveling stamps, and then I look through and I find something wonderful. So A New Adventure is the stamp set, and the one I'm going to use is The World is Yours to Explore. This kid's going to the Marines. He's we're having a big party for him, so it'll work out perfectly for him. This is the Versamark watermark stamp pad, which can leave him a watermark, or you can use it for embossing, and that's heat embossing. I've already done the dry emboss where we used the Texture Boutique from
You mean
Circus.
the cranker?
The cranker. We use that cranker. Go to your local craft store and say, I need a cranker. They won't know what you're talking about.
They may know.
Well, they might. I'm going to push this down with fervor. It's one of the catchphrases.
You never say that normally.
No, I don't.
No.
So I have now stamped The World is Yours to Explore. And Brian, I'm going to have you put the embossing powder on.
I know how to do this. Embossing powder.
Give it a little rotate. Stampendous. I got this last night.
I can't read it. That's okay.
Jeweled gold from Stampendous embossing powder. So he's going to pour this on here generously. And I'm going to get a blank card face where I can, don't be shy.
Well.
It needs to be a little weighty on it, so there we go. And I use a blank card face. It's just one that I use all the time.
Just to catch the glitter.
Anytime I glitter, emboss, whatever, and I kind of tap it. You don't want extra stuff on there. Maybe flick it a little.
Sure.
I like to do that.
Do
you want to do this part?
Sure.
Okay.
I'll take it. Whoa.
So I'm going to start with the heat embossing. And I don't have an extension cord right now. See, again, raw TV or whatever, YouTube time. It's raw. We are real around here, you guys.
This is the real deal.
This is the real life.
Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide. No escape from reality. You go. Open your eyes. Look up to the sky.
Oh, here it goes.
Yeah.
Now we can pay attention.
Okay.
Here we go. Look at it go. It's so pretty.
Beautiful. Magical.
It's a magical, mystical thing. So the world is yours to explore. Boop, 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 boop. With this on the front, it's gorgeous. Okay?
Wow, nice job.
Well, I like it.
I really trust your craft professionalism.
Thank you. Well, you should, except that I'm not much of a professional. You saw many boo-boos, but that's just how it goes.
I think you are.
Well,
a professional.
We can pretend.
So then do you put that in the envelope and
you're going to put it in an envelope,
right?
And off it goes. That's it. So here you go. The world is yours to explore. Thank you so much for joining us today for a quick little tutorial in metal.
In kaleidoscopic splendor, Pan Americana.